getting out of hand. I start new biz, hopped in a new biz, a nigga. Now I want new friends.
The way I call the bean, knock your legs off.
I wish somebody would have dropped the bird on me when I came home, nigga. So however I get it. Get the bird, nigga. What the bird, nigga? You know the Falcon, nigga. I had a baby, nigga. I had a baby, nigga. Come here. I had a baby, nigga. I had a baby, nigga. I had a baby, nigga. Everybody say Falcon had a baby, nigga. Oh, shit. This motherfucker get more prolific than Phoenix, too. You know, Phoenix, that's my first son. But I gave him back. Where this motherfucking bird at? Phoenix ain't no real bird. But this right here, the real bird. I call him Baba. Baba. That's daddy. That's daddy. That's pop. That's Papa in Swahili, motherfucker. Know about it. I said know about it. You gotta know about it. You gotta know about it. They going live with the bird. Cause the Falcon going the bird. The Falcon and the bird. The Falcon and the bird. It's my second baby, yo. My second baby. Look at it. Trying to get prolific already. Trying to fly from the nest. That's what I'm talking about. Get your ass up out here, nigga. I ain't got nothing to take care of you on, you know? You better watch for the cats out there and the motherfucking raccoons and shit. Listen, stop being in so much of a rush, motherfucker. I'm trying to give you some motherfucking discernment before you get on. Before you fuck around and not make it too far. Fuck around and won't make it too fucking far. Hey! Now listen. They say, if you let it go and it fly away and it don't come back to you, it was never yours. But if it come back, you want me to feed him? Hold on. I don't want him to fly on an empty stomach, you know? They never fly on an empty stomach. You know, hold on. I gotta feed him something first. God damn. Let me feed him something first. Hey. Hey, you black, right, motherfucker? It's chicken, shit. You ain't gonna eat no chicken. You might not be mine, shit. All right, I am.
This is a big bird.
No, I said I am putting in the kitchen. What the fuck are you doing? My food over here. Get out of here.
Ain't that some type of mama for your ass, huh? They don't give a fuck. How you think they do it? That's why these kids grow up in minutes as they in there. Oh, yeah. Hey, nigga. Man, you couldn't smell this bird's fart if it farted on your top lip. This motherfucker ain't had enough of nutrients. Here, eat, motherfucker. I put that motherfucker in your pouch, motherfucker. She got the spray. She got the raid. You don't want to eat? You want to fly on this stomach? Get a motherfucker some liquor then. You got some liquor for him? You got some liquor, nigga? Listen here. I gotta go. What's up, Lee Roofro? What's up, Lee? Oh, what's up, man? You ain't been around in a minute. God damn. Where you been at? Trapped up down there in the power stage? Get up out of there. Man, come on, dog. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Power stage is open, dog. I might slide down there, though. If I can find me a nice freaky one to go with. Yeah, no, where she at? Hey, look, he running. Look at the cat running from the bird. It's just free meat, motherfucker. God damn, I'm offering my own youngin'. Hey, look at here. All right, little Phoenix. Phoenix couldn't even get prolific like this, but that's my son's real name. 13, I think. I gave it back. But anyway, look. If you see Phoenix, slap the shit out of him. Tell him he can't dance with the goddamn thing. And tell him he'll never be nothing without instructions from his motherfucking papa. That's that. That's why he did. Let's go. What's going on? To all the white party at Sam's? I'm going to the power station. Hey, there you go. Go on, do it. Get strong. Get strong. Hey, look at your elbows. You been fucking with that shit? Oh, you need some motherfucking coconut oil on them motherfuckers. Oh my god. Hey, look, that's how they put us out on the street. You know, I had to sleep in motherfuckers' cars back in '92. You know, rent a room for 20 shots a night.
I told you thank you now.
What's up, Kim? I don't know if Kim's still alive. But shit, it was all good. All right, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You don't like chicken. I don't think you mind. I know I fucked your mama about twice, but who? What? Y'all don't fuck birds? I fuck birds. I don't give a fuck. What? White people fuck sheep. I fuck birds. Don't say nothing until you have some bird pussy. Yeah. And when the little wings slap your balls, and you're hitting it, and the wings slap your balls, and you're hitting it, and the wings slap your balls. It's over, Jack. It's over. Oh, crash landing. Well, that's pretty much how we stop. You know, damn, what's up, G? Be smooth up in the house. You might have to rewind this motherfucker. I had my son. He had that. Oh, look, now the cat on you. Y'all might finna see a killing now. Oh, y'all finna see a killing. Y'all finna see a killing. Yeah, Y'all finna see a killing. Any Rufus. Y'all finna see killing. Did he get it already? He got it in his mouth? He looking at it. He looking at it. Go ahead, jump down, nigga. You ain't never had bird before? Oh, you looked at all. You see that motherfucker looking back at the camera? Looking like CJ with the nigga back in the day, nigga cut that nigga. But you know, he cool out there, he'll fuck around with the motherfuckers dope, you know? That's right. Just look at this. Headlights on. Ooh! What's up with my nigga Slick, though? Where you at, Slick? Slick gonna be over here. And now what you all scared for? Get the damn birdie. Or whatever y'all gonna do. Y'all gonna go ahead and let the drama go. Let the drama go. Cause you know what nigga Ghetto said. He said this beef out here, it really would take some conversation. Somebody to apologize, somebody hold himself accountable. And the motherfucker have a conversation. You know what? Majority of this beef will be over. Because the motherfuckers that's coming off with the real sparks is coming off the porch, not even knowing where this beef was created. They don't know what year. They don't know what bitch. They don't know what niggas. They don't know what condom that had broke, and which got the bitch pregnant in the first place. And shit, the motherfucker came out looking like both of them because the niggas was cousins, but they didn't know they was cousins. But anyway, I was saying though, a lot of motherfuckers that's heightening it, keeping it in prison, was it the ones that were there for the incentive? I said the wrong word. Incentive. Hold on, not incentive. Shit, it's gonna be a hard one. But the word means from the beginning. Inception. From the inception. Yeah. So if you went there from the inception, then motherfucker, why don't you do some little homework and figure it out and find out where it came from, and maybe you might be the one that can come with the right verbiage and approach the right people and go play some fucking golf. Because niggas can't play golf, so in the midst of time to figure it out, motherfucker have a long good ass talk. Next thing you know, motherfucker be tight as a motherfucker. And fuck a nice prolific thick bitch at the end. Together. Because we can do shit together. Hell yeah. Black folks, we can do shit together. Shit, we built this motherfucker together. Didn't even get paid for it. And how that make y'all feel? Don't y'all want to go get the money that's owed to our folks? Y'all going to get the EDD money? I would go get the EDD money. Why not go get the ancestral money? Fuck that. I want mine.